All right, so what you currently have is this little washable filter in here. Um, if you're gonna keep this, you're gonna need to wash this every single month. You just take it out, apply Simple Green General Mild Cleaner, spray it on there, let it soak for about 5 minutes, and then wash it out back and forth, and then slide it in. But what I recommend is getting rid of this, because these things restrict a lot of airflow, so your system doesn't get the airflow it needs. And if you look inside, you can either install a 2-inch or a 2-inch disposable filter, or a 1-inch, or you can take these brackets out, which is what I recommend. There's just 2 screws holding it in, one here and one in the back side. Getting these brackets out of here, and then you can get a 4-inch. It's like 3.5 inches, but they call it a 4-inch. A 20 by 25 by 4-inch pleated filter, and you can get like a hyperallergenic one, and those are really nice. Then you only need to replace that once every 6 months or once every 12 months, and it'll work more efficient, way more efficient than this. See, this is designed to clean the air, but it doesn't really allow your heating and air conditioning system airflow to work properly. But if you get a 4-inch in here, a 20 by 25 by 4-inch pleated filter in here that you only have to mess with once a year, that's the only way to go.